Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 8.8-inch screen in a 2007 M6. We install our backup camera, 8.8-inch screen, which is our latest model, Android 8.1 version. That's where we use the camera, universal lip mount. For the 5 and 6 series, you have to make sure when you purchase our unit, you already have auxiliary in the car. By auxiliary, we really mean actual auxiliary. Usually for 5 series, 6 series, it's in the armrest, middle console, and our unit has to be connected to that auxiliary. Otherwise, you're not gonna have sound. So right now I'm connected to our Apple Carplay, to my iPhone, and that's the Apple Carplay menu. And by going to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera. You can see the sensors are activated too. This 6 series already came with the navigation, and that's our ID6 menu, and we can use the knob without any problem. The quality of the sound, it's perfectly fine. I don't know other units if they have auxiliary problem, that's their problem. We don't have any problem. I don't know other companies, if they have problem, they have to deal with it. A lot of customers, they ask if auxiliary sound is good or not. Our unit 100% no problem.
That is gonna work.
And here, by going to car info, we go to the original mode, and you see we choose aux on the top to be able to have sound through our unit. By holding the menu button, we can go back to aftermarket mode. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call and get them installed by calling 905-604-4294. And the other units from other companies, the problem that they have, it's with the iDrive knob. So as you can see, I can scroll left and right, and I can select with the knob. By tapping on the knob, I can select whatever I want. But other units, again, they have problem. They cannot cruise like fully functioning with the iDrive knob, but we can do it like without any problem, and we can select anything we want by tapping the iDrive knob. I'm not touching my finger to select anything, and I can even go out from this menu by going to that BMW logo.